structure and elements and parts as the whole. When the force load is there with the triangle structures, the force can be branches into small ones, or we can name it split, or is the purpose reduce, make sure smaller enough, then help its parts of the structures will be burdened in a good way, which means structure will be safe enough. This is for the subject, force calculation, structure design, and system to make sure loads can be distributed to each parts in safe way. And this is pretty simple and function for the buildings and homes, hotels, theater and stadium, airport, station of railway, everything we can see it.